Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I have so much stuff. My desk is like so full. I plan on releasing more foil and stuff, but there's just so many releases this week, so I'm just going to hold back on some of the foil things because we do have 4 collections, a foil bundle, 2 monthlies, and then also a sticker pack. So let's go ahead and go into the releases for this week. I'll show you guys the foil bundle first. This is in the chunky format, which I don't actually think that we've had any of the new foil bundles in the chunky format, so I'm excited to show you guys this. We will have both the bougie as well as the mini available, and they will be on their normal special pricing for the first 48 hours or until they sell out. So this foil here is a really cool kind of like, it's almost like a gold oil slick. I don't know what else to call it. If you guys have any name suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, but it is so cool, so pretty, gonna match so many different things. I did, whenever pulling foils for the new foil bundles that I have, I did pick some fun ones, but I tried to pick some that would, you know, go with a lot of different kits, and I feel like gold and silver based ones do, and this one is a really cool gold based foil. So again, kind of like a gold wave, a gold oil slick kind of vibe there. So that is the matte label sampler. So there's that. That is available only during the first 48 hours. Let's go through the bougie bundle first. So this includes the bougie boxes, whereas the other one does not. So for the chunky, you do get the 6 full boxes and then the regular cut headers over here. It's a really pretty, again, gold. I feel like it looks a little bit more minimal on the clear stickers because they're not in such like heavy chunks, which is really nice because it just kind of gives a little sparkle. You do get 2 sheets of those. You do also have the bougie boxes, 2 sheets of those as well. And then there is the icons and script page, and you have an assortment of the smaller and larger along with different scripts. And then also the bottom washi page, which has the large bows, the like chunky bottom washi, the fancy headers, some deco, and then also some date numbers to match. And I am so excited to use these new foil bundles. I have been like, after I release everything, I'll go through and pair them up with the kit just because I'm so ready to use them. I think they're so functional and useful. So that is the bougie. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the basic bundle. So that has 2 of the full box and header sheets, the script and icon, and then the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and the date numbers. So that is the foil bundle for this week. For the most part, we are going to stick to 1 foil bundle a week, and we have so many cool colors planned for the future. I did want to release 1 sticker pack this week because it was highly requested to do so. You guys have been really loving the sticker packs. So this one is based on the Park Hopper art, and it does come with the little cardstock backer. And then there is just a bunch of stickers. These are on our glossy paper. So if you guys like our glossy and, you know, the colors, the payoff, the stickiness, everything, you guys will love these. They are obviously not like waterproof vinyls or anything like that, but it's definitely a more affordable option for decorating dashboards and things like that. So those are all of the stickers in the Park Hopper bundle. I love all of them so much, especially the letterboard and the Mickey bar cart. So that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. So we do have 2 monthlies for this week. They were so highly requested. I wasn't planning on doing these, but just so many requests poured in. So this one is the Bunny Day, which is super cute and exclusive art. And this is in the A5 wide Aura Stell sizing, which is the 1.5 inch wide columns. And it will also come in the B6 sizing for the Aura Stell B6 inserts. Super cute. And then we also do have the Lucky kit, which I love this kit. It's so pretty. These colors are everything. And again, this is for the Aura Estelle size inserts. And then there will also be this kit in the B6 as well, monthly size. So pretty. Then let's go into the regular kits for this week. We do have 1 mini kit exclusive. That means that it won't be coming in an ultimate kit. It'll just be coming in a mini kit, and this is called The Duke and I, which is based off of Bridgerton, which is such a good show. If you haven't watched it yet, which I feel like basically everyone has, it is like a Regency Gossip Girl, and I love everything about it. If I didn't have kids, I would have watched it in one sitting for sure, but I watched it over 2 days basically, and I don't ever do that. It is so good. It's so addicting, and I think it's such a like fun, like draws you in like series, and I can't wait for a future season. So this is a mini kit, like I said. So you do have the full boxes, the deco page, the glitter headers, the label page, the bottom washi, and then this one has the clear with black freebie. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. There is a 15mm strip add-on if you want to add that on, and a label sampler, which these colors are so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. Then we'll go into the next collection, and this one is called Cozy Cafe. It does also come in a mini kit, and this one kind of has a little bit of winter vibes, but I feel like it could totally go for March, or you could save it for next year, or, you know, it's just a vibe. It's very like wizarding coffee shop. So here are your full boxes, the extra boxes here. I love these colors. I think that's my favorite part about this kit is the like really, actually, we got some really like neutral, natural colors this week. Glitter headers, half boxes, your solid pattern labels, and the bottom washi with the clear with black script freebie. And again, this one is called Cozy Cafe. There is add-on options available. You do have the 15mm strip as well as the label sampler if you want to add those on. Again, that also does come in a mini kit. Second to last here, which kind of keeps on the same with those like neutral colors, is Cappuccino, and this is such a pretty collection, just like an everyday, anytime fashion home kit, which we love. So let's go ahead and go through this one. So you have the same clear with black script freebie. These are the full boxes. I love them. It's so good. I love the kind of like, you know, like home decorating vibes with just like the fashion elements in here. You have your extra full boxes over here, and I love these colors with the green. I just think it's so nice for like March or even summer, but again, totally an anytime kit. Could go for any time of the year. The solid, and then also the pattern, and then also the bottom washi, which is really pretty and minimal. Sorry if you guys hear Theo in the background, but he is awake and moving and grooving. And then there are add-on options as well for this. There is the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and also fashion options as well. And then last but certainly not least, we do have Spring Reading, which is a really pretty kind of unique color scheme. It's very, you know, springy, bright with like a bright pastel, and again with the clear with black script freebie. So these are the full boxes. It's such just a spring vibe. I love the orange and the yellow mixed with that blue. Your extra full boxes over here, your deco page, your glitter headers, your half boxes, the solid and pattern. I love these little rainbows. And then the bottom washi. So that again is Spring Reading. And then the add-on options for this, we do have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, as well as the fashion options. And again, that also does come in a mini kit. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I think we are shipping Mystery this week. I will have the reveal video up on Friday for you guys. I've been trying to ship them out a little early on the time frame, just because I know that the USPS has been a little bit slower this time of year. So the faster that you guys can get your mysteries, the better. So stay tuned for that on Friday, and I probably will have a plan with me up on Wednesday for you guys. And yeah, I think that's everything. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, all of these new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, with the foil bundles having their special pricing for the first 48 hours, and also the matte sampler being available for that time frame as well. So that's everything for this week. I have so much really awesome stuff planned for the next, well, this year is really awesome. I just got May mystery art, and I'm going to finish that up today because Kirsten wants to get it printing. But yeah, I just am so excited for this year as far as releases and things go. I have a lot of cool stuff planned, a lot of cool collabs, and yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!